Okay, welcome back. Cats are fed, and now let's finish this analysis. So I've got my four sequences that I can get from the main database, so from nucleotide collection. Okay, so now I have these sequences here that are available, but they're not in the main database. So we've got to go and do these each individually, and then we can get all the sequences. These are Japonicas, okay? So what we have to do is we have our query here still. So we take our these project IDs. So I'm going to copy one, and we go down and we select down here whole genome shotgun. Okay, you're going to get whole genome shotgun contigs WGS bioproject ID and paste it in. Okay, and then it found it for us. Okay, so it's going to be slightly different perhaps, but it looks similar. So there we go. So now we do blast. So now we're just blasting against this very specific region, a very specific cultivar of Japonica. And while this is taking its time, I will repeat this for all of these so that we have all the Japonica strains, and I'll add them here as well. Remember, Nippon-Bari is also Japonica. It's our reference. And then these are what we're comparing with our reference. So these are the indicas. And while I wait, I'm going to do a new file, Word document. And this is going to be the, what am I going to call this? Oh, okay. Well, we'll do that while we wait another time. So here we go. Let's go to our graphic summary. And now you see that there's this one match. It matches the entire query. So that's great. And then here's all the insertions in various other places of the genome. Right? It doesn't match our genomic DNA. It only matches the insertion. So we want just this one. So it'll be easy. So we can see the alignment is one big alignment. Really nice. Easy for us to obtain. So we will click on GenBank as usual. FASTA. And copy this sequence. And put it in our FASTA format. There we go. And there it's done. So let me close this tab. Let's go back and edit. So this is really nice. You just go back and edit. And what we're going to do is paste in the next one. Like that. And okay, it found it. So we will then do the blast. Okay, so while it's working, let me go back to my new document here. And this is going to be the documentation of sequence from NCBI. Now for the multiple sequence alignment that we're going to do with these, this name is way too long. It'll just ruin the multiple sequence alignment. So but I want that information. So I'm going to take this for the very first one, copy it here. Okay, so that's our first entry, and the order doesn't matter. Okay, but I'm going to call it, that's going to be Nippon-Bari. Okay, so that's our Nippon-Bari sequence. There. Then the next one is going to become simply Shishui 498. Okay, and you can't have a space there, like that. But I want to save that there. So this way, if I need to, I can go back to the database and get the information But for the sequence analysis, we want short names. Oops, I did that wrong. I have to copy the whole thing. Control add, oops, control copy, paste, and now I will eliminate all of this here. And that, and then this becomes that. So continue working on that. I'm going to pause the video again because there's no need to sit and wait for BLAST and watch me do this. So I will pick it up after I've completed my FASTA file, and you can as well.